how net metering works is, so obviously the sun powers the panels in the daytime, so you get 100% of the consumption from the panels going into your main panel, and it's going to power everything. It's going to power your pool, it's going to power your AC, all your lighting, all your receptacles, all that kind of stuff. Charge your car if you've got one, you know, anything electrical. So when you're generating more than what you're actually consuming in your house, it has nowhere else to go. The power goes in, it goes to all your circuits, then it has nowhere else to go other than back through the utility. So that means it goes back through the meter, and your meter basically spins backwards. So in the daytime, because we're generating a lot of electric from the solar, your meter's going to keep spinning backwards, goes around, and then the actual meter will make note of the credits of what's gone there in the daytime. So at night time then, when the system turns off, all the credits that you're putting there in the daytime, you're going to start pulling back through the meter. So that's how we get you to 100% from the actual solar opposed to the utility.